Over 50, seeking a way out of your dull, passionless job, yearning for retirement, where you can finally live life on your terms. Imagine waking up without the jarring alarm clock, without the stress of commuting to a job that fails to appreciate your efforts. You deserve more. With our help, you can easily learn new skills of digital marketing and enjoy more time freedom to spend with your loved ones, enjoying your favorite activities and hobbies. Today I'm going to show you a better way, learning how to set up online businesses that'll give you the freedom to do what you love when you damn well please. If you're eager to unlock the path to a better, more fulfilling existence, whether by embracing the world of online sales or revitalizing your existing business, simply click on the blue Learn More button located to my right for PC or around this video for mobile. Share your name and email address. Expect a stream of invaluable insights delivered directly to your inbox, illuminating the many ways in which you can enhance your quality of life through the wonders of online businesses. You're not alone if you regret trading so much of your time for money and sacrificing everything else in your life by living paycheck to paycheck. Retirement doesn't have to be a distant fantasy. Imagine being able to do what you love instead of going to a job you've lost the passion for. My father, who retired at 70, was eagerly counting down the days until his golden years of retirement. Destiny had other plans, as his health began to deteriorate, leading to a series of surgeries. Trapped by immobility, he couldn't seize the moments he longed for, those elusive experiences that slipped away while he dedicated his existence to exchanging time for pursuit of wealth. In today's broken economy, with rising inflation and job losses rampant, traditional methods of earning a living no longer guarantee security. Thankfully, the internet provides a gateway to a global marketplace. Seize the opportunity to stand on the shoulders of giants and sell using the power of herd mentality. Don't let constraints hold you back. Selling online isn't just a trend, it's a way of life. Building an online business may seem daunting. Perhaps you lack a product, time, or funds. Maybe marketing feels like an enigma to you. Picture this: an abundance of online products to sell, readily available supplies for wholesale goods, and the ability to create a sales website in mere hours. Then hone your messaging skills. With this arsenal of talents, an online business can be yours for the taking. Failure is simply not an option when you possess the willpower to persevere. You can acquire these skills while maintaining your current job, gradually transitioning to the income level you desire. Like countless individuals from varied backgrounds and nationalities, you too can break free from the constraints of a 9-to-5 routine and embrace the liberating world of digital skills. By mastering these competencies, you'll gain more time, greater financial rewards, and unparalleled fulfillment. Unlock the key to a life of your choosing where time freedom reigns supreme. We call this the modern wealthy lifestyle. Do you want retirement, quality time with loved ones, exotic travels, ability to work from any corner of the world? Whatever your heart desires, the path to achieving it lies in mastering the principles of authority marketing. Click the blue Learn More button and embark on your journey toward modern wealthy through living the realms of authority marketing. Time waits for no one. Time is a valuable commodity. Don't let it pass you by. Act now and prevent future regret. If you wait, you'll stay in the same place you've been for years. Do it now. Click on the blue Learn More button.